Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for following. We just hit 10K, so thanks for all the support. And all right, continue watching. Today we're making some shrimp pasta. All right, stay tuned. All right, so to start, I'm using about a pound of shrimp. That's what I had in the freezer. My cousins were in town. They was like, hey, can we get some shrimp pasta? It was late, so I was like, okay, let me whip up something really fast. These are my favorite shrimp. They are Argentinian shrimp. I picked these up at Kroger, or you can get them at any Whole Food, Publix. See, they look like they're pre-cooked, but they're not, because you're going to see where I'll take the shell off. I have all my ingredients right here. Whatever cheese was in the refrigerator, and I'm using my Spice Jamaica Reggae blend and the jerk seasoning. So big up Spice Jamaica. You don't know, he's in Houston, Texas. All right, so I have everything else right here. So that's the pasta I'm using. Like I said, I just used whatever was in the pantry. I didn't have any penne pasta or penne pasta, however you pronounce it. So I am right now removing the shell. You can, you can wash these off with lime, lemon. I already have a little lemon squeezed already in the water, so get the rawness off. And I have the sweet peppers. I use the tricolor peppers, a quarter of each of them, or use whatever you have on hand. If you only have the one color, that's fine. All right, so, and my gloves are so durable. I got them from Golden Protective Services. They're actually on my Amazon storefront. They're so good. I don't even have to throw them away. I just wash my hands and wipe it off. All right, so I am adding probably about a tablespoon. The Reggae blend, it's like an all-purpose seasoning. It's very, very flavorful, and the jerk seasoning is also flavorful. So I'm adding about a teaspoon of each. And like I said, you can go over to Spice Jamaica. He does have a website. You can pick it up from there and get the same seasoning, or if not, you can just use whatever loose jerk seasoning or wet jerk seasoning, whatever you have on hand. All right, and I will be using some green seasoning. That's definitely a must. I'm trying to save half to go in the pan, so probably about a tablespoon to season it up, and I'll add the rest, the remainder, to my sauce. And there's my pasta. It's already cooking. And just add a little salt, or just follow the instructions on the box, and I will add a little oil to that. So I'm frying these shrimp because you can see they're raw. Probably cook them for about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, just to make sure they're properly cooked. Shrimp doesn't take long. So there you have it. They're already nice and flavorful, and I am going to drop these on top of my pasta. All right, so I got these out the way. So like I said, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add everything to the same oil. I use coconut oil, so it's definitely nice and flavorful. I have garlic mixed in, and like I said, I'm gonna drop some more green seasoning with the tricolor peppers, and I'm also gonna add some more of that Reggae blend and a little bit more of the jerk seasoning. Just this is just a guide for what I'm doing, so just taste as you go. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of butter, and there again I'm adding some more of that jerk seasoning and some more of that Reggae blend. I also add probably about 2 cups of coconut milk right there. The one before that was actually the heavy whipping cream, about a cup of that. And also, just to make it a little extra sauce, I didn't have any more heavy whipping cream. You can also use evaporated milk. I usually keep that on hand, the can, so that makes it nice and flavorful also. Okay, or if you don't have that, you can even use half and half. Some people who are lactose intolerant just use whatever milk. And there's my little cousin Caden. He's just standing by. Can't wait to get some food. Oh, okay. Oh, you love shrimp? Okay, nice. All right, and see, I dumped the flour in, sitting here talking to my little cousin. I was supposed to dissolve it in water like I normally do, or just to make it dissolve it. I added a tablespoon of the garlic powder and a tablespoon of the onion powder. So the flour helps to thicken the sauce a little. Like I said, I usually add it before, but like I said, it's still going in. It's gonna dissolve, so it's gonna be all right. Okay, no rush, no fuss, just go with the flow. All right, so it's probably been about anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. It's already thickening up, as you can see. All right, so it's nice and flavorful. Just taste as you go. If you need some more seasoning, you can drop a little bit more all-purpose, or you can use chicken bouillon, or some more jerk. So I'm adding about a cup of Parmesan cheese. Like I said, I was just using whatever cheese I had on hand. Grated Parmesan cheese went in. I'm also using probably about a cup of mozzarella right there. Make it nice and cheesy. And I think I did add probably about a cup of that sharp cheddar or mild cheddar, whichever one you have. Either one will work. Cheese is cheese. It'll just make it, you know, a little bit more flavorful. If you have Parmesan goes great in pasta. But like I said, just use whatever you have on hand. Let me just drop a little bit more cheese in so it's nice and cheesy, okay? All right, so everything is good. I am dropping my pasta in, so we just moving right along. That's already cooked. Just follow the instructions on the box. Just make sure you drop a little salt while you're cooking the pasta. All right, so just gonna mix it in, then I'm gonna drop my shrimp, and everything will be good to go. While you're here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell. Don't forget to, you know, comment, share with your friends, family. Let me know how you liking the videos. Tell me what would you like for me to cook. And go ahead and follow me on all my handles. I am on Instagram at the RAINA'S Kitchen. I'm also on Facebook. All my handles at the RAINA'S Kitchen. Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. All right, so, and I will leave the link for all my tools in the description box. All of these kitchen tools, they're right on my Amazon storefront. Make sure you also follow me on Amazon. All right, so you can have the same kitchen tools that I'm using. I'm always getting questions what kind of cookware I'm using. They are by Williams Sonoma. All right, so let's keep it moving. And like I said, next I'm just gonna add my shrimp and we'll be feasting. All right. All right, and if you wanted a little more sauce, just, you know, double the recipe. I'm gonna list everything for you, but it was nice and saucy, nice and flavorful. But yeah, so very tasty and delicious. So definitely give it a try. All right, and there it is. So delicious. It's nice and cheesy. You can top it up with some more cheese if you'd like. Okay, so everything is done. You can have dinner ready in less than 30 minutes. All right, and thank you again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.